Hello, welcome back to my Mortgage Pro Max. Are you considering a bank statement loan but unsure if it's the right choice for you? Today, we are breaking down the pros and cons of bank statement loans to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a bank statement loan? It's a type of mortgage that allows you to qualify based on your bank statements instead of traditional income documents like W-2s or tax returns. Perfect for freelancers, gig workers, and entrepreneurs. Let's start with the pros. First, bank statement loans offer flexibility for self-employed individuals and those with fluctuating incomes. They allow you to qualify based on actual cash flow, making it easier for entrepreneurs and gig workers to secure a mortgage. Second, these loans often come with higher loan amounts. They assess income based on deposits rather than taxable income. This can be a game changer for those looking to purchase higher value homes. Third, bank statement loans typically have a faster approval process as they focus on bank statements rather than expensive tax documents. This means you can close deals more efficiently. Now, let's talk about the cons. One downside is that bank statement loans may come with higher interest rates compared to traditional mortgages. This is due to the increased risk lenders take on with non-traditional income verifications. Second, these loans might require a large down payment, which can be a barrier for some borrowers. It's important to be prepared for the financial commitment. Lastly, not all lenders offer bank statement loans, so your options may be limited. It's crucial to shop around and find a lender that meets your needs. In the end, bank statement loans can be a fantastic option for those with non traditional income, but they do come with some trade offs. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons and consult with a mortgage professional to determine if this type of loan is right for you. There you have it, a quick overview of the pros and cons of bank statement loan. Now, here's where Nexa Mortgage shines. We have an extensive network of lenders who specialize in bank statement loans. This means more options, competitive rates, and flexible conditions tailored just for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more mortgage tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy house hunting.